This is the American dream of freedom on wheels. An automotive age, traveling on time-saving superhighways. Futurama's free-flowing channels of concrete and steel. But these wide lanes of reality actually measure out to just a few miles.
Human expansion has had a negative impact, but wildlife has in some ways been able to adapt. Some other negative effects that we've seen are with big cities. During migration, the lights from the cities can cause birds to get confused and hit windows. As humans continue to expand and build more, deforestation and destruction of natural habitat leads to the decline in species as they face living conditions as humans expand.